Hi everyone, let's talk about quality. What is quality? Quality is being as something that you have the characteristic in you. So the characters of you being doing something, pwedeng skills or something that your attitude of doing something. Bilang tao, may kanya-kanya tayong qualities. And it means that hindi pwedeng hindi mabago. So, everything has a chance na mabago or ma-develop yung quality or character that you have. So, quality, it needs to have or to do a constant effort to change for good. Example, pag maganda yung quality na meron ka, so, mas meron pang pwede kang magawa to develop it when it comes to excellence towards something. So you have to put intentionally of doing something. Kung babaguhin mo siya, it depends on you. So when it comes to quality, hindi lang siya for a good quality. Also, there's a bad quality, but it depends on you. Kung ano yung gusto mong baguhin, kung ano yung gusto mong i-strengthen. Pero, syempre, lahat yon kaya mabago. Mas maganda kung meron kang good quality, you have to strengthen it. The quality has a constant effort to improve it. So, hindi ka lang dapat papayag na it's an average, na yung maging average people ko lang or yung quality mo is average. You have to make for yourself to be the excellent one. Doing something, being something that you want to do. That you give your best effort, your intention of how you want to get something done or to do something done. So, mas maganda na always develop the quality that you have when it comes to excellence toward doing something. So, it depends on you. Lagi mo lang ima-mindset yung sarili mo, what kind of quality, kung ano ba yung gusto mong i-strength sa bagay na meron ka. It is character or skills, it depends on you. So, lagi mo lang titignan, ano ba yung quality na gusto mo na meron ka. Yung quality na excellent when it comes sa kung anong skills na meron ka. Hope you doing something good